In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom payment method in Shopify, specifically focusing on creating and setting up Cash App as a payment option for your online store. So let's get started and make sure that you have a seamless payment experience for your customers. First, though, you'll need to go over to your Shopify store's admin panel. Once you're there, look for the Settings option, which you can find in the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open up a menu with several choices. The one we are interested in today is Payments, so go ahead and click on the Payments section. Now you'll be presented with various payment settings. Here, take a moment to read through the Choose a Provider description. This section provides valuable information on setting up different payment methods. It's always good to have a complete understanding before making any modifications to your payment settings. Once you're familiar with the description, look for the Manual Payment Method option. You might wonder why we choose Manual Payment Method. It's because we're creating a custom payment method that isn't automatically handled by Shopify, just like Cash App. Now click on Manual Payment Method. This will lead you to a screen where you'll see options for creating a new method. Select Create Custom Payment Method. In that screen, you'll need to give your new payment method a name. Type in Cash App to designate this newly created method. Naming it clearly helps both you and your customers quickly recognize the payment option during the checkout process. After you've named your custom payment method, you'll see an option for Additional Details. Click on that. Here, you can provide any extra information or instructions for your customers about using Cash App to complete their purchase. It's helpful to include details like what information the customer needs to share with you for the payment to be processed, such as a confirmation or transaction number. Then move on to Payment Instructions. This area allows you to give specific step-by-step instructions to your customers on exactly how they'll use Cash App to pay for their order. Be as clear and informative as possible here to prevent confusion during checkout. Once you're satisfied with your payment instructions, press Activate to enable this custom payment method on your website, and there you have it. Your Shopify store now accepts payments through Cash App. By carefully implementing these steps, you've added an additional layer of flexibility for your customers, allowing them to choose their preferred method of payment. This not only enhances their shopping experience, but can also contribute positively to your sales. Thanks for following along, and happy selling on Shopify.